All right, you're welcome to the second part of this analysis. Now, I need you to know that after, of course, you have analyzed the center design, what you need to do is we're going to be looking at this circle that you have all around. Now, the first thing I need you to know about this circle is that the inner part of that circle is not actually more of a circle. It's more like a rectangle that just have curves all around the angles. So, the first thing you want to first of all pay attention to is the width of the inner part of that particular, rectangle style. Rectangular shape. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to make use of the width of this particular strap. I've already taught us the width of that particular strap. If you haven't seen that, please go ahead and check it out. So for this particular width, I'm going to use that width as the width of the inner part of this particular circle. Now what do I do next? I need to consider the length of this particular circle. I represent it as a circle. Let's consider, the full length. How do I understand the full length? Just try to check from where we have from here to here. I mean, from where it stopped to this place, it's actually about 3 to 4 centimeters, and this has to do with even the design you are actually working with. Just make sure that it is not too much far away from this particular part. So if you understand that using the size you are actually working on, you should be able to create this design. Thank you once again, and I will see you next time. Bye.